Welcome to Mente Sano. Feeling stuck or unmotivated? Today, we're exploring powerful techniques to ignite your mental drive and keep you motivated. Motivation is the fuel that drives us to achieve our goals. But how do we maintain it, especially when faced with challenges? First, set clear, achievable goals. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Next, practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Visualization is a powerful tool. Picture yourself achieving your goals and enjoying the success. Technique number 4. Reward yourself. Reward yourself for milestones. Celebrate small victories to keep the motivation high. Technique number 5. Stay connected with supportive people. Surround yourself with supportive people. Engage with those who encourage and inspire you. Technique number 6. Keep learning and growing. Continuously seek new knowledge and skills. Lifelong learning keeps your mind engaged and motivated. Conclusion and call to action. Motivating your mind is about creating a positive and supportive environment. Use these techniques to fuel your mental drive and achieve your goals. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Mente Sano for more insights into mental health and personal growth. Share your experiences in the comments below. Together, we can stay motivated and achieve great things. Thank you for watching. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.